Hey, we've got the Undiscovered offers for August on ClickBank. Michael, why would someone want to promote an Undiscovered offer?
An undiscovered offer is an offer that doesn't have a lot of competition right now. Some of these are new, some of these have been forgotten, and they are kicking. So you got to be promoting them.
Sweet, well, let's dive in.
Let's go. So number 5 on our undiscovered offers is an offer that has been around for a good amount of time, but it is showing some good signs of life.
Yeah, this is from my buddy Todd. We'll jump over here for the Feel Good Knees offer. Ooh. Yeah, so we'll scroll through here. It's a great long form sales page, really helping people with knee pain. You can guess it's an older demographic based on this picture here. It's quite a long page. I'll scroll through it quickly, but I do recommend checking it out. This is actually Todd here. He's the kind of owner and creator of this offer.
Nice.
Great guy to know, build some really good, clean offers that just really help people. And he's got this thing dialed in. So just kind of scroll through. I'll show you what the offer looks like down here at the bottom. Excuse the fast scrolling. Here's the offer pitch.
Scroll.
And then we've got the actual buy options here for either digital only or physical and video shipped. And little teaching moment here. I love it when vendors do this, when they bundle, hey, here's a digital only option, and here's the kind of, if you want the physical option as well, here's that thing. Because
here it is.
Our highest refund reason at ClickBank is people buying a digital only option thinking that they're buying something that's a physical good. Because people do these mock-ups and stuff and they think it's a physical thing they're getting. So this really anchors that, oh, do you want digital only or do you want the full option? And then if we go into the stats on this,
they are solid.
Yeah, they're great, right? It's a lower ticket item with that $15 front end. It's kind of bundled with shipping if you take the physical option. So you see that the initial AOV is in that $24 range. The gross AOV, for the full funnel is in $45 range. He's got a great upsell rate and kind of order bump take rates on that.
Yeah.
And the average payout value to affiliates on that is right in the $30 range, which is going to sound lower compared to other ones on this list that we're about to cover. But what I really want y'all to take note of is refund rates are excellent, 3%, hardly any chargebacks. And then the conversion rate on this is almost 3%.
Yes, that's where this offer really is an awesome offer to use on your lists. And to learn about your list, to be able to segment, because a lot of these offers that have a higher conversion rate and may not have the highest of payouts, those are really great at learning your traffic, learning your consumer, and being able to just really build some layers on the data that you have for the people that you're targeting.
And EPCs are still really solid because the conversion rate's high. I think conversion rate's almost double anything else that's on this list. So it's like, you have a smaller conversion rate, or a smaller price point, smaller payouts overall, but AOV really brings it up. $30 payout isn't bad either. And then that high conversion rate, you should get some decent EPCs with your traffic on this.
Exactly. It's a great one for email lists.
Yeah.
So our next one, number 4, this is a new one. This is Altai Balance. I believe I'm saying that right. Altai? So Altai Balance is a new offer that is targeting that blood sugar healthiness niche, really trying to manage your weight and manage your blood sugar. So it is definitely a physical offer. They are running your what we see as typical, but a really strong 136. Where starting out at $49 a bottle, then down to $34 a bottle right there. What is great about this offer is it comes from a proven vendor.
Very proven
vendor in this space. And it is seeing some just really, really great numbers right out of the gate. So one of the best parts about this offer is they're starting at 75% commission right from the get-go, really strong.
It's really aggressive. These supplement guys are getting super aggressive.
Yeah, they are really. Yeah. It used to be we would see like 50%. That's a really strong. And now you're seeing up to 75, and sometimes 80. So right here we're seeing conversion rate. We're seeing conversion rate of 1.22%, and there's quite a few affiliates already who are starting to find this in the last week. So it's definitely one that you really want to get in on as soon as you can. We are seeing an AOV of almost $200. We're seeing payouts per initial sale of $132. Wow. It's and low refunds right now, low chargeback, but that's this one is a newer offer. So even if that one settles at about the refund rate that we usually see at a physical of about 5 to 10%, that's still going to track out really, really well for those who are running paid traffic. And a lot of the people who are on this are pushing paid traffic to this right now. So that's a really good offer in that space for people to really settle on and go for.
Yeah, thanks, Michael. And then, I expect that one to climb up the rankings pretty fast, knowing who's behind it. And a quick item note for the watchers here, do check out the link in the description below if you need to check out the actual links to these offers, links to their tools pages, and kind of get more data on them. We get a lot of comments like, how do I actually find them? It's in the description below. So you can check those out at any point and kind of check, get more details on it. Next one I'll tackle here, because I actually helped onboard this one, and it's been doing pretty well, is ReNew Detox, or Be Renewed. And it's a weight loss offer that's been trending in a really good way. They've been doing a ton of testing on it.
Yes.
I'll jump over here. Kind of similar thing, right? It's like, it's not to knock it, right? But it's got that 136 value stack here, 69 single bottle up to a 294 for the 6 bottle. And they'll have some decent upsells through the take rates there that kind of go through. And if we jump over to their affiliate recruitment/tools page, you'll get some great resources here. And this is pretty cool. This is actually partnered by Liz Graham. She's a partner on this offer.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
She's big time.
Big time. If you don't know who Liz Graham is, she's behind the scenes oftentimes. She's one of the best list managers in the game, in my opinion, monetizing people's customer lists and things like that. And she's a partner on this offer.
Shout out to Liz.
Yeah, but she's been behind the scenes on a lot of good stuff. So the fact that she's on this gives me a lot of confidence in it. And they're running a contest, which will probably be wrapped up at the time this video launches. But they really take care of their affiliates with some good payouts, which you get if we get into the data. They're also starting with that 75% starting commission rate.
Yes.
EPCs over $1. They've got initial AOVs in the 170, gross AOVs above $200, which is excellent. Affiliate payouts are around the $120 mark. And then, refund rates are low, chargeback rates are fine, and then conversion rates right around that, kind of percent above a percent mark where they kind of need to be for scale. Yeah. So really dialed in offer. Do check their tools page out and kind of get all the swipes and check out what they've got for you, because they've really done a good job with them.
Right, and we've talked about it before over and over again on these videos, and probably on the pod. You and Kyle talked about this on the podcast as well. Just because an offer, when you start it or you test it and it doesn't really track out, doesn't mean you shouldn't return back to it. ReNew Detox, some of you might be hearing this and be like, well, I tested it a couple months back and wasn't exactly where I wanted to. People optimize, and people do put a lot of work into that.
Yeah, this one's been in the oven, I'd say, for like 6 months. They've just been dialing the copy, dialing the offer, and kind of the different kind of upsell price points especially. Yeah. So, and
the very best in the industry do that. And this is why it's definitely on the Undiscovered list right now, because it is popping now. Yeah, it's the numbers are tracking out. It's what it needs to have.
There's a reason they're doing a contest now, because it's fully baked.
Right? It's fully baked. It's where it needs to be. So, moving from ReNew Detox to the Shadows of the Moon, we are going to Moonlight Manifestation. So it is a spiritual offer. It is about manifesting through your dreams. Has this wonderful landing page where I have been on it before, so I'm getting this pop up. But it is an ancient prophecy for 2021 will come true at 2 a.m. tonight as you sleep. Which the only prophecy that happens and comes true at 2 a.m. every night for me is my daughter waking up. So, but for this, it's a great VSL. They also have a great landing page copy to work through.
The copy's a lot of fun with this one.
This one is great. Yeah. It has, if you're starting out here with Nike shoes over Satan shoes with human blood, you're already starting out on the right path. And we're just gonna kind of speed through here. There's a lot of really good stuff that is going to go through. And this is a wonderful digital offer, and also has a chance to be physical offer as well. It is just doing awesome in the spirituality niche, and
it's a higher initial price point.
It is a higher initial price
point, $55 range,
and we started to see that with Soulmate Sketch. Soulmate Sketch was one of the first ones that started bumping up that price point in there. to go after other affiliates and to start to bridge that gap. The great thing about spirituality offers as well is they, just as we talked about with the first digital health offer, they allow you to know who your traffic is, because they're asking a lot of questions. You're knowing that somebody's going through a life change if they're purchasing this, which allows you to move them on to different lists and to different products through when they purchase. What we're seeing, as far as, because I'm rambling here now, they are starting out 75% commission. They are seeing EPCs of 32 cents for a spirituality offer. That's awesome. Our top spirituality offers usually are in the 20 to 25 cent EPC. Nice. Okay. And we're seeing really great AOV at 87 and payout at 61. And that conversion rate at 0.52, what we see with a lot of people who actually use these offers and go through them, they're using them to learn more about their customers. So I would like to see that conversion rate higher on a spirituality offer when it's coming through.
It does have a higher price point, though.
But it does have a higher price point. And that's what we saw with Soulmate Sketch, which it does really, really well. And affiliates really like that offer. And it's going to do really good with email, with an email list. An email list where you're not having to buy that traffic, and you're able to continue to move this and really work those lists and work your leads. This is an awesome offer for those type, and especially if you are doing blog traffic and you're getting really good organic. This is another stellar offer that they offer, and they are saying they're seeing about $2 EPC on cold traffic. As far as the numbers go, I saw a few folks getting that. But then again, they may be really dialed in and have more warmer traffic.
I was just going to say their affiliate tools page is excellent.
It is
one of the best I've seen, honestly. They've got something for literally everybody, no matter what traffic you've got, really dialed in audiences. Yeah, really anything you can need.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'd definitely check this out if this is in that niche. What I love about this niche too is that compliance doesn't really come into play too much, right? You can really play with this type of offer in a variety of traffic sources without really worrying about it.
Yes.
So yeah.
And it appeals to a wider audience as well. So this is a great offer. Definitely take a look at it. If you are in the spirituality niche, you definitely need to be testing and running this offer.
Nice. And how about, Michael, how about you send us home with the number one Undiscovered?
Number one Undiscovered is the, an offer that needs no introduction, SynoGut. The offer.
We'll introduce it anyway.
Yeah, we'll introduce it anyway. The offer that will help you poop. That's it. Pretty much. It starts out
all jokes aside, the gut health niche is awesome. Excellent. Yeah,
it is absolutely awesome. That was one of the things that I was surprised as an affiliate manager, that people were like, what do you have as far as gut offers?
Yeah.
People love to stay regular. And it's one of those things like weight loss that everybody poops.
Yeah.
And so
it's a very real pain point that people have, right? Yeah.
Very, very real pain point. If you've been eating like I have during COVID, it's probably even a more real pain point. What the best part about this is just the numbers. The numbers on this offer are stellar. Before I get to what they have on there, the numbers are $1.52 EPC, an out of the gate $1.27, an AOV above $225.
That's crazy.
Payout close to 125. The conversion rate is above 1% at 1.22%, and it's starting to gain momentum. This is one that I assume
this will take off.
That
kind of conversion rate with that AOV is really
and
good.
This offer is only about 2 or 3 weeks old on the platform. So it is definitely one that you want to check out. As far as tools, they have great converts over email, Facebook, native, Google, VSL, written by a copywriter who did 9 figures in the industry. I know who that is. It's a very solid offer, and it just, like I said, it appeals to a lot of audiences. Basically, anybody who's over 35 and uses a bathroom, it's going to it will appeal to. And as far as payouts, it is doing really great. And just make sure if you're promoting this that you are just following the traffic restrictions and making sure that you're following their guidelines. Other than that, test it. run it,
Yeah.
move it. It needs to be in the rotation of almost every affiliate that runs health and fitness traffic.
I love
honestly.
it. Thanks, Michael. Yeah. Now, there's some baller offers in this Undiscovered one. Man, yeah, that'd be key to getting in on these. And again, check out the link in the description below to get more. All the links we're mentioning, kind of to their landers, to their tools pages, get all those details in that link in the description below. If you like what we're doing, please click down that like and that subscribe, that little bell notification, all those things you do on YouTube, and leave a comment below on what you're excited to test out. And any questions you've got for Michael and I, happy to dive into the comments with you and hash it out.
Just swim in there.
Awesome. Happy scaling, y'all.
Peace, y'all.